Matthew Stephen LeBlanc, born July 25, 1967, is an American actor. He gained global recognition with his portrayal of Joey Tribbiani in the NBC sitcom Friends 1994 to 2004 and in its spin-off series Joey 2000-2006. For his work on Friends, LeBlanc received 3 nominations at the Primetime Emmy Awards. He has also starred as a fictionalized version of himself in episodes 2011 to 2017, for which he won a Golden Globe Award and received 4 additional Emmy Award nominations. He co-hosted Top Gear from 2016 to 2019. From 2016 to 2020, he played patriarch Adam Burns in the CBS sitcom Man with a Plan. Matthew Stephen LeBlanc was born at Newton Wellesley Hospital in Newton, Massachusetts. His mother, Patricia, was an office manager. His father, Paul LeBlanc, was a mechanic and a veteran of the Vietnam War. He has a brother named Justin LeBlanc. His father is of French-Canadian descent, and his mother is of Italian ancestry. The daughter of immigrants from RC, Lazio, he attended Newton North High School, where he graduated in the same year as future comedian Louis C.K. After high school, he attended college at Wentworth Institute of Technology in Boston. He dropped out shortly after starting his second semester. LeBlanc moved to New York at the age of 17 to pursue a career in modeling, but he was told he was too short to be in the industry. His acting career began after a woman invited him to accompany her to an audition, where he ended up getting signed by her manager. Although he had booked commercials and television and film roles before Friends, he was reportedly down to his last $11 before landing the role of Joey Tribbiani. Personal life, LeBlanc has an extensive interest in cars and worked as a carpenter before acting. In the mid-1990s, he dated actress Kate Hudson. He married Melissa McKnight, a British-born American model and a divorced single mother of 2 children, in May 2003. They had been introduced to each other in 1997 by McKnight's friend, Kelly Phillips, the wife of actor Lou Diamond Phillips. LeBlanc proposed to her a year later. Their daughter, born in 2004, began suffering seizures at 8 months old. By the time she was 2 years old, the condition, thought to be due to cortical dysplasia, had mostly subsided. LeBlanc and McKnight divorced in October 2006, citing irreconcilable differences. LeBlanc met actress Andrea Anders in 2004 while she was co-starring as his friend and eventual love interest on Joey. The pair eventually embarked on a relationship, which was confirmed in 2006 following LeBlanc's divorce from his wife Melissa McKnight. After over 8 years as a couple, LeBlanc announced at the start of 2015 that he and Anders had separated several months earlier. LeBlanc started getting gray hair around the second season of Friends and dyed his hair throughout the course of the series. Once the spin-off series Joey ended, he stopped dyeing his hair. LeBlanc primarily resides in Pacific Palisades, Los Angeles. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.